Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add your Amazon affiliate product into your website. So, um, so first of all, you need to log into your website and something like this kind of stuff you will be having from the backend of your website. And all you need is to go to this Amazon section. Just click over here and you will see this sort of admin a new panel is going to open over here, and after that you need to click over here this Chrome Google Chrome extension. It's the first one-time settings into your browser. You don't need to go to do this every time, but just I'm going to show you for the very first time settings, and the next time you don't need to repeat this stuff. So here you need to install an Google Chrome extension named WZone No PA, and here it is WZone No PA API. Okay, so click over add to Chrome. Yes, add it for me. It's now added. You can see, and I can just ping over here, so you can see this is kind of the extension I'm getting over here. So now let me refresh it and see if we have any changes over here. So you can see a new pop-up will show up over here to authorize the website. Yes, please authorize it for me. So the website is authorized. Now I refresh Amazon page, and you can see navigate to the detail page. It's showing over here. My website is added successfully. Okay, so you can add any of the product from Amazon with just one click. Just follow the steps I'm going. For example, any of the product you are going to upload into your website. So for example, open up a new tab, and here you can see just you can see this is extension WZone No PA. No PA API will show up over here. You just click over import to AME your website. So I will click over here, and the system will now you can see this product is already imported. I have already imported successfully. So to you can say remove the duplication, the system automatically detects if that product is already added. So let's add any other. I'm going to the page number sport search page number 6, and what we can do, let's uh, let's add this one, I guess. Maybe let's remove it. Let's open up a new tab. So uh, you can see let's import product to website. So it's a setting a connection for faster sort of option. I do like multiple open. I open up multiple tabs and to speed up the process. And but yes, you can do that for your own sort of convenience and stuff like that. So you can see it's open up. I am going to open up a just I need a simple product to import, and number of image I prefer to have a 5 image. It's more than enough, and you can also import other, but I don't recommend you to import that much images. Just to keep it as minimal, or like 5 or 5 to 6 is more than enough. Or yes, so after that you can see spin to import, also check that option. And now you can see you must need to like select your relevant category. So I choose a sports, so I can just import the support category, and after that click on import product, and within a few seconds it will import In the meantime, I can do other similarly or faster the process. I do that way. Let's refresh it and see. It sometimes depends upon your connection, internet connection as well. So I have some sort of connection going on over here. Limited. Let's wait for it. So yeah, you can see the product is successfully imported, and I can view over here, view product from here, if it's successfully imported or not. So yes, title is imported, and the images, number of 5 images we have successfully. So this is the way you can do your website product import. So I hope you have understand about how you can import a product from your Amazon affiliate to your website. So every time a user like needs to buy, just click the buy but now button, it will be successfully redirected to Amazon for checkout. So yeah, I think I have explained very well for you. So feel free to ask any question if you have. So thank you. Thanks for watching.